Hi everybody, this is Chef Kirsten Helly, the founder of Mesa de Vida Healthy Cooking Sauces. If you love jambalaya, but you're either on the Whole30 program or maybe following a low-carb diet or just looking for ways to cram lots of delicious vegetables into your diet and nutrition, I've got a delicious recipe for you. You're going to want to stick around for this. To show you how easy this is to make. All I have here is a bit of chicken sausage, nitrate-free, sugar-free. You can also use a ground meat if you want to do something kind of like a dirty rice style dish, but with cauliflower rice. And I've taken help from the store and got this frozen cauliflower rice. I think you can find this in any store nowadays. It's super convenient and super delicious and takes the place of rice in a lot of dishes and kind of bulks up your meal, keeps it low carb, keeps it super nutritious, and is a great way to sneak not only lots more vegetables into your diet, cut back on carbohydrates a little bit, but you can also, for anybody who does want to eat this with rice, you can just serve it over. If you are a rice eater, this is also a great way to make it. You can use rice instead of the cauliflower as well. And I have links to that recipe, just like a traditional jambalaya, in the links below at our website. But we're taking help here from our Creole inspired healthy cooking sauce. This stuff is so delicious. It's 100% real food. It's just vegetables, fruit, spices, and herbs. Everything's in the jar already for you. Super concentrated. So we're going to use about a half a jar today to make a pretty big portion of Creole inspired jambalaya made with cauliflower rice instead of traditional rice. It's so amazing and I cannot wait for you to try it. This is just one of the many ways to use our healthy cooking sauces. And this recipe, if you just switch up the meat, switch up the sauce, you can either use our smoky Latin cooking sauce to make something similar to a meaty Spanish rice. So instead of the rice, obviously using the cauliflower rice. You can also use the North African cooking sauce to make a Moroccan-inspired dish, sort of like a cauli-couscous sort of a dish. So instead of couscous, using the cauliflower rice. This would be so amazing with lamb, some maybe ground lamb, add a few extra veggies in there, maybe some eggplant chopped up. This, oh, so good. That would be amazing. So again, this is just one of the many ways to use our healthy cooking sauces. Use them as your shortcut sauce, sort of like your personal chef in the kitchen. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make this. Literally 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients. That's it. Oh no, 5 ingredients because I'm adding shrimp to this. So we are going to have a chicken sausage and shrimp, Whole30 friendly, Paleo friendly, delicious jambalaya. Can't wait for you to see how to make it. Just add a little bit of oil to your pan, about a teaspoon or so, and add in your cauliflower rice. I just used frozen, and about a half a cup of our Creole healthy cooking sauce. I do add salt to taste. Use that to your own level of preferences because our sauces are low in sodium, so you get to control that. I just added a little bit of sea salt or pink Himalayan salt. So you can see I'm just chopping up those little bits of cauliflower rice that were still kind of bunched up together, and just about a minute, just let the sauce kind of caramelize in with that and cook down a little bit because they are almost raw when you open the jar. I did add a little bit extra hot sauce. Our sauce is, the Creole sauce is spicy, so you don't have to do that if you don't want. And a little bit of high quality chicken sausage. I will connect some links down below, some great quality ones, and a bag of frozen shrimp that I had just ran under some water to thaw, and that's it. I'd add a little bit of broth, and that will be depending on the amount of moisture that's in your cauliflower rice. Just play it by ear. Cooked it about 7 minutes covered at medium-high heat, and that's it. Everything cooked together at the same time. The shrimp was perfect. Absolutely delicious. How easy is that? Under 15 minutes for an amazing meal. And try this with different meats and one of our other healthy cooking sauces to keep it fresh and exciting every week. Delicious. So you guys, it's so easy to make. All you have to do is head to mesadevita.com, the link is right below, and pick up our cooking sauces. We have a Whole30 starter pack. It's a bundle of these 3 cooking sauces. all ready to go. They're sent out to you. We also are available through Barefoot Provisions. So if you're a paleo lover and you get lots of great stuff from Barefoot Provisions, you can now get our cooking sauces from there, and several other retailers as well. So check the website. Otherwise, I'll go ahead and pack them up and ship them out myself and get them to your door right away. And if you have a store that you would like to see our cooking sauces in, again, we're pretty new and we are brand new Whole30 approved. So if this is something that you would like to see in your stores, definitely let them know about us. We would definitely appreciate it. And I am going to plan on making lots more cooking videos for you. If you don't know already, I'm a private chef for professional athletes, and I actually lost 100 pounds myself by cutting out processed foods and doing something very similar to Whole30. That's why I love the Whole30 program, and they've gone above and beyond what I ever did. So it's just fantastic. And but for my clients, I started creating these sauces for them because they don't always like to eat their vegetables, and I'm charged by their doctors to get them to eat more vegetables. And I want my players to really love their food. I really wanted to honor their traditions and cultures that they come from. That's where the inspiration for these came from. So as a chef, I definitely want to keep providing lots of content for you guys, lots of really easy recipes for you to use these sauces with. Seriously, some sauce, some meat, throw it in the slow cooker, throw it in the Instant Pot, throw it in the oven. Use it as a braising sauce, saute, simmer, slow cook, so many different ways to use it. But I do want to get you some very specific recipes. So if you have any requests that you want to make, anything you'd like to see me make, or any other information, definitely leave a comment below, and I'm going to be giving away a 3-pack of sauces to 1, maybe 2 of the first 20 people who leave a comment down below, letting me know what their favorite sauce is, what they can't wait to try, and also any recipe requests that you have. So good luck. I will be picking the winner. The details will be down below, so definitely check that out. And please click over to our site to check out all the recipes, check out the inspiration, check out some savings you're gonna find for the Whole30 approved launch, and also the 10% off coupon that we offer if you sign up for our newsletter. So it's really great. So if you wanna see more of these recipes, please click subscribe. Let us know that you want to see more, and we'll keep bringing them to you. So I hope these recipes bring lots of life to your table. I really hope you try this amazing jambalaya inspired dish. You could also make it kind of like a gumbo. So instead of serving it up with the rice in there, you can just simmer a bunch of vegetables, a bunch of seafood, a bunch of chicken sausage, some chicken legs, put it in the sauce with a little bit of broth and let it kind of simmer away and do its magic. You can have a really amazing gumbo inspired dish that's low carb, that's Whole30 friendly, and then you can serve it up over some just plain old steamed cauliflower rice. So that would be delicious too. Thanks again, you guys. Can't wait for you to enjoy. Have a great day.